Hello everyone, this is Naveen Kumar. This is the video about the Tableau Database Challenge. First of all, I want to thank SmartIntelligence for giving me this opportunity. The data I had taken is from the employment sector. The visualization we are going to discuss today is about the RSVA scheme, which stands for the Rashtriya Shram Vikas Yojana. The data refers to the status of physical progress and overall achievement of 15 sample districts in terms of utilization of RSVA funds allocated to them. In the map, we can see those 15 districts which are represented with different colors. RSVA scheme basically focus on improving of different objectives like addressing unemployment, improving agriculture productivity, improving social and physical infrastructure, and others. The pie graph represents the percentage of achievement of those district objectives district wise, and the bar graph represents the total percentage of achievement versus the total percentage of expenditure for the development of districts. Blue bars are indicating achievement and yellow bars are indicating the expenditure. We can observe that almost all districts are utilized more than 90% of expenditure. If you want to see districts which are achieved above 90%, just use this slider to see them. As you can see, there are 10 districts which are achieved more than 90% of achievement. If you want to see the districts which performed very less, we can use this slider again and we can see those districts. As you can see, there are 3 districts which are performed very less, in which Saraikela is the least achievement rate. The achievement rate is about 30%, and then Chhatra 56%, and then Chamma 64%. Along with those, we can see the objectives of those districts. As we can see, there in Saraikela there is 27% in improving agriculture and 31% in improving social, and in other addressing unemployment and others there is 0% of achievement. So we should work on those addressing unemployment and others so that the achievement rate will increase. If you want to see this in region wise, use this region drop down menu. If you want to see the central region, we can see that in central region there are 4 districts. In 4 districts, we can observe that Sitapur has the highest achievement rate and Bastar has the lowest achievement rate. Like this we can see for other regions also. If you see in eastern region, there are 6 different regions, and 6 different regions, the least achievement rate is Saraikela and Chhatra, and the highest achievement rate is Mon. Like this we can see for other regions. For example, let's take southern region. In southern region there are 2 districts in which Warangal has the least achievement rate and Palakkad has the highest achievement rate. Like this we can see as region wise. So finally we can conclude that the districts with the highest achievement rate and the lowest expenditure, let's take Palakkad. We can use this option here and select Palakkad. As you can see, in Palakkad there is highest achievement rate and the lowest expenditure, so that we can use this expenditure in improving agriculture or others. We can use this expenditure on those. Like this, if we want to see lowest achievement rate like Saraikela, we can see that Saraikela, where there is the achievement rate is low and expenditure is 100%. The expenditure is overutilized in those fields, so we can use more funds for improving the other objectives. So this is about my visualization on analysis of RSVA scheme. Thank you.